Hello everybody. This will be a tutorial on how to set up your REST API through the platform. Let's begin. First thing we're going to do from the dashboard is go down to Company. We're going to go to Company Settings. From here, we're going to go over to REST API. And to set up a new REST API, we're going to hit New. Under Client Name, we're going to give our REST API integration a name. We're going to click Generate Client Credentials. And we're going to want to copy this client ID and client secret to our clipboard. Under IP restriction, we could either allow all IP addresses to access this API, or we could restrict access by IP address. If you select this option, we could enter in the IP addresses that we want to have access to our REST API. Under client role, we either have the option to use the company admin role or a reseller role if you are a reseller account. We can also create a custom role as well to have access to this API. In our case, our custom role would be user access admin. The next thing we want to do is go under the KeepNet Labs documentation page. We're going to scroll down to under use cases, and we can access the Swagger interface with the authorized client ID and client secret that we copied to our notepad. And we can click authorize. We'll now enter in that client ID and our client secret. And then we could check scopes if we have any scopes. Click authorize. And then click close. Now under REST API, you'll see the API integration that you've created. The table breaks down into the following. We have the client name, the API key that we entered into that Swagger interface, the status of our integration, and then the date that that integration was created. We can edit our integration, which will bring us back to the page where we set up our API role in the first place. And then we can delete that integration as well with the delete button. This completes our tutorial for setting up a REST API. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.